If you notice that you can't pin a comment anymore, you used to pin comments, but after like a few months, you notice that the pin option doesn't appear anymore on your settings. Like when you go to your comments, when you press and hold on the comments, you don't see the pin feature or option in the settings anymore. You only see reply with a video, send to friends, add to favorite, translate, and report. Copy. You don't see the pin option anymore. Now here is how to fix this problem. But before we start, I just want to let you know TikTok removed this feature from everyone, not only you. So they removed it from you and a lot of people, and like they removed it from everyone. So some people can still use this option if it's really important to them. So it's only 50% this will work. By the way, guys, this will not work 100%. I just want to let you know that so you don't like tell me in the comments that this doesn't work on anything. 50% this will work, 50% this will not work, okay? It worked for some people, it doesn't work for other people. Now what you want to do, guys, to fix this problem, because like I said, TikTok removed this feature from everyone. That's the reason why it's very hard to get it back, and I don't think TikTok will ever get it back to everyone again, because it caused them a lot of problems. That's why they deleted it. Now if you want to get it back, guys, all you have to do is you want to click three little lines in the top right, and then click settings and privacy at the very bottom, and then scroll down and click on report a problem, and then click on, you want to scroll down again at the very bottom, it says here submit a report. What you want to type here, guys: hi, I really need the pin option on my account. I can't use my TikTok account anymore because of this. So if you have time, guys, please copy this and paste it on comments so that other people will use it. So if pin option is very important to you, explain to TikTok here how important it is to you, how you want to use this feature, okay? And then click done at the very bottom, and then click submit. And they will get back to you within a few hours, sometimes 24 hours, and then they will say that if they can add it or not. So that's why I said, guys, 50% this will work, but explain to them that how bad you want it.